Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install WhatsApp in PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to download and install WhatsApp in PC. First, just click in the start icon, and after that type in the search bar Microsoft Store. And then in the search bar, just type WhatsApp. Yeah, you can see here, WhatsApp app. And after that, click Get. Just wait for few seconds. Okay, now it's done. And then click Open. Okay, and now here, if you close it now, and you go again to start icon, and then you type WhatsApp. Yeah, you can see the app here. And if you just right click, and then you can click Pin to taskbar. Yeah, then you can see the WhatsApp, it's in the taskbar. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to download and install WhatsApp in PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.